Hey everyone, it's Jeka. In this series, I have created video tutorials of the new Canva AI features, which we call the Magic Studio. So if you want to watch the other videos, you can just simply click the link in my bio. Now let us try Canva Magic Design for video. So again, let's go to the Magic Studio and then click Magic Design for video. This will transform our content into short, shareable videos with built-in music in seconds with Magic Design for Video. So what we're going to do first is, of course, we have to upload images, videos, or pwede rin naman yung dalawa. So now, let's try this Magic Design for Video. I have already uploaded 3 videos here. Kailangan kasi you have to select at least 3 files to add on your video. So I have already created 5 here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to choose these 3. And then you can see below, describe the kind of video you want. And then Canva Design will generate a design for us. So let's say we want to have a video to promote our new coffee product. Okay, and then from there is let's just click generate, and then hintayin lang natin siya na ma-generate, and let's see kung ano yung magiging output niya. And then there you go, Canva has already generated a design for us. So, walang kahirap-hirap. And let's try to play etong video na to na raw. Wala tayo munang i-edit. Let's just watch kung ano yung ginawa ni Canva Design for us. So there you go, it's very short, and as you can see, meron na siyang built-in music. So si Canva na rin ang nag-suggest ng music na pwede natin gamitin. And then what you can do now is, if you want to modify this one, you can modify the text, you can change the audio, the music, or kung halimbawa if you're not contented with the text na nakikita dito sa video, you can edit that, and then you can adjust the size, just like the usual way on how to edit yung video sa Canva. You see, in just a few seconds, Canva has generated a video design for us. So you can use this for your TikTok videos, for your other social media videos.